Welcome back to Wandong Intelligent Technology. In part 2 of our 6 series introduction, we'll focus on maintenance efficiency, cleaning operations, and precision motion performance. First, easy maintenance. All CYG Series linear slides support external lubrication, allowing oiling without removing the cover. This simplifies routine maintenance, reduces downtime, and extends service life. Next, low dust generation. Thanks to a specially designed steel belt structure, dust is effectively minimized during operation. This makes the CYG Series suitable for clean rooms and high cleanliness production environments. If you are looking to expand your automation business with a reliable motion control manufacturer, we welcome you to partner with Shandong Intelligent Technology. Contact us to discuss regional distribution opportunities, and let's grow together.